Too legit. Too legit.
What's up, YouTube? So today is the day of my housewarming party and I am making a rotel. So I already started cooking a little bit, so I'm gonna show you. This is the meat cooking. Alright, that's the meat cooking. And then I also got the 2 cans of rotel, some Velveeta cheese. That's all gonna go in my slow cooker. And I seasoned the meat with chili powder, Cajun seasoning, smoky garlic and sea salt, and some taco seasoning. So that's all I seasoned the meat with. This look good. At least it smells good too. This is actually my first time making rotel, so when everybody starts to come, I'm gonna have them try it. So I'm excited. Just need to get the meat cooked. I don't think I'm gonna cook the meat all the way because I'm gonna put it in the slow cooker, and I feel like I'm putting it in a slow cooker for 2 hours, so I feel like the slow cooker is gonna cook it some more. So I'm actually not gonna cook it all the way, just so the meat isn't overcooked. All right. So now, this is what the meat looks like before I put it in a slow cooker. I didn't cook it all the way. My pot is spinning because I don't have a handle. But yeah, so this is what the meat looks like. All right, now I'm gonna open up my cans of rotel and cut up my cheese to put in a slow cooker with the meat. Since we have everything prepped, I'm gonna put everything in my crock pot. I'm gonna cook it for about 2 hours on high, and then after the 2 hours, I think I'm gonna put it on low for about 30 minutes just to let it marinate. So let's get into that. This is what the pot looks like before I put the lid on. So now we're about to get started on our 2-hour process. So we're gonna do high, I don't know how to do this. Why is the crock pot not working? All right, so I have it on high. It won't let me set the timer though. Oh, there we go.
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app.
Shut up, Google. Alright, we got it on high. I say 11:30 for some reason. I don't know. I'm gonna just set a daggone timer on my phone. So, alright, boom. We got it on high. We're gonna keep it on high. I'm gonna come back and check it in like 45 minutes to stir it up. And we're gonna check it back then. Alright, so the Rotel has been cooking for an hour. I just stirred it. Ooh, I got water in it, Lord. But this is what it's looking like right now. So we're gonna have it sit for another hour. And we're gonna come back. So see you when we get back.
All right, guys. Here, tasting Tyrese's Rotel dip. Let's try it out.
How is it?
The one, for sure. For sure. That's for sure the one. I ain't even might have hold you.
All right, y'all. We about to taste Tyrese Rotel. It look bomb. Does it taste bomb? Let us see.
Let us see.
Yeah. That's what's up right there. It's good. A1.
Yeah, I look